Okay, in this video I'll show you how to create guards and how to use them in normal routes and the lazy loaded routes. The lazy loaded routes are these ones which load the children and go to different modules. Okay, so let's get started and create a route. Okay, let's go ahead here and we'll create a test route that will be CanActivate route. Okay. So this route is mainly used for to check if the user is logged in or authenticated, and then once the route is activated it will check the user if it is authenticated, and then it will redirect the user to the appropriate page. If it returns true, then it will go to the specific routes where the user is accessing. If it returns false, then the default route like a login page, etc. Here I will just show you how to implement it and how the guards work. Okay, so I have created the test route. Okay, that is CanActivate route. Okay, so let me console log something here. Console.log, and here let's add can activated and activated route can. Okay, we'll just put it in caps to know if this works. Okay, and then let's include this route in the app.routes file. So on this URL now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this guard. Okay, so let's say can activate, and in this braces here, well, let's put the card, that is the test card. Okay, so test card has been imported, and if I go to the terminal and if I rerun the application here, so the server got started now, and if I go to my application here and if I load this page, you can see can activated route is getting printed here in the console. So what I'll do is I'll just redirect user to the login page. Okay, so if I go here and if I go to this route, so let me include router here. Router here. Inject. So inject will be imported and router. Okay, so router dot navigate by URL, and this will be our login / login. So if I save this and if I reload the application, you can see I'm redirected to the login page. Okay, so this will be giving to cause and it will get redirected to the login page. So this is how can activated route works, and you can put the logic if the user is unauthenticated. Okay, so I'll discuss in detail in the next video, but you can put your authentication login here and check if the user is logged in based on the token or your service function. Okay, so now let's go and create another route, which is the test lazy loaded components, test lazy loaded routes. So this lazy loaded guard, so this guard will be for the lazy loaded routes. Okay, and the type of route is CanMatch. Okay, so if I click enter, it will create these routes here that are lazy loaded routes of CanMatch. Okay, similarly, what I will do in this case also, I will redirect user to the login page. So before that, let me console log here, console. So dot log can match route, can match route. Okay, can match route. Okay, once we have this, we can include it into app.routes.ts file. So this will be import. Uh, the name would be test. No, it will get imported once we use this here. So in lazy loaded components, so I'll put can match, and similarly you can use this braces here and test lazy loaded card. Okay, so once I have this, now if I go to organizers dashboard, you can see can match route is getting printed here. Okay, so a can match route is working. So the difference between can match route and the can activate route is will this guard will be can match guard will be implemented before the route is uh, activated, before the route is activated, meaning before activation it will check the guard will be implemented first before activating the guard. And can activated guard is like when the route gets activated. After the route gets activated, the guard will be called. So that is the major difference. Okay, so we can use can match route for lazy loaded routes. So now if I go to this, so again I'll be redirecting user to the login page. So let's include router here. If I include router here, then const router. So let's okay, so const router equal to let's inject it router. Okay, and router dot navigate by URL. That is the okay. Let me put some other page and show you. So let's go to our routes and we can go to register page. Okay, instead of going to the login page, let's put register page. Okay, so if I save and reload, see I'm redirected to register page. Now if I go to organizers dashboard, I will be redirected to register page. And if I go to giving to cause, I'll be redirected to the login page. Okay, so hope this helped you understand the difference between the can match and the can activate cards. And please do like this video if you gain some knowledge in it. So thank you for watching, guys.